Hello guys, today I show you how to disable touchpad when you connect your mouse USB in your computer, or enable it when you connect your mouse USB in your computer. So how to do so? To do so, you come up here and click and type setting. Click on setting, click on devices, click on touchpad. You see here, this you enable this to enable your touchpad. But you see here, leave touchpad on when mouse is connected. So now I click this and my USB is connected. I still can use my touchpad, but if I unclick this, so now I'm moving on my touchpad, it doesn't work, yeah, because I connected my USB mouse in my computer. But if I remove my USB mouse, so I can use my touchpad, yeah. Cool, that's cool, guys. So mostly when I connect my USB mouse, I disable my touchpad because it's easy to touch uh, touchpad when I type something in my keyboard. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.